Yo, what is going on guys? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak your iOS device. Now this tutorial works with iOS 12 and up, so if you have an iOS 12 device or if you have a newer one, we are going to jailbreak it together and we're going to use an app called Palera1n for the jailbreak. So we're also going to get an app called Sileo, which is a Cydia alternative which allows you to get tweaks and mods on your phone. So Sileo allows you to actually change stuff on your device when it's jailbroken. So this is how it's gonna look like. As you can read here, it says that Palera1n is the most advanced tool for jailbreaks and it works with iOS 12.3 and more. Then you need to open your browser and go to bestjailbreaks.com. So bestjailbreaks.com is the website that you need to go, and once you're here, let me show you how to download and install Palera1n on your phone, and then we're gonna jailbreak it together. So you need to tap on it. And then once you do tap on the blue button, you need to tap on allow. Once you tap on get it now, then you need to tap on allow and then close. This is how you download the app. Now to install it, you need to go to your settings and then you're gonna see a new window showing up over here that says profile downloaded. You need to simply tap on it and then you need to tap on the next button or on the install button at the upper right over here. Once you do, you need to enter your passcode. And once you enter the passcode, the next step is that you need to tap on the install button again. And then afterwards, tap on install one more time at the bottom, and that's all you need to do to actually get Palera1n on your phone. Now we're gonna use Palera1n to jailbreak this device, and once it has been jailbroken, we're also gonna get an app called Sileo, which is an unofficial app store that allows you to get tweaks, themes on your phone, mods, and way more. You can try it by yourself, but now I'm gonna go on and open Palera1n, install, complete the jailbreak, and then get Sileo installed, and then I'm going to tell you how to use Sileo. We are going to get a theme for this phone just to show you that it's fully working. But let's just start with the jailbreak. So once you open Palera1n, this is how it's going to look like. Once you're here, you need to tap on the jailbreak button at the bottom, and that's going to start with the jailbreak. It's going to start jailbreaking your phone, and as I said earlier, it's going to start installing Sileo on your device, which is the app store that I told you earlier, which is going to help us to get themes, tweaks, and mods for our device. So here we are. We can also get paid apps for free through Sileo. And here it is. We're almost done, and this is the last stage. As you can read here, it says the jailbreak has been nearly finished, but you need to complete a very short security check for Apple. By Apple, to avoid the security check, you need to tap on the continue button and then you need to complete a couple of extra steps. Now I have already completed these steps because I didn't want to make this video very long, but this Palera1n app, it has a bug that it will ask you again to complete these extra steps, but since I have already completed them before shooting the video tutorial, I don't need to do that anymore. And for me, the jailbreak has been completed, but it's not going to be the same for you. You need to tap on the continue button, complete the couple extra steps real quick, and once you do complete them, only then you'll be able to have the phone jailbroken and Sileo installed on your device as well. But as you see, for me, it has been installed already. So now I'm going to open Sileo, which is the unofficial app store, and we're going to get some themes for our phone, but you can get all kinds of stuff. If you go to Google and search for the best jailbreak tools for your device, you can go on and find your favorite ones. As you can see here, there are several things you can change on this phone through Sileo.